Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Monarch Money for banking, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Monarch Money for banking, start by opening the Monarch Money app or website. Log into your Monarch Money account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the banking section of the app. Look for an option to add account or connect bank account. Select your bank from the list of supported institutions. If you can't find your bank, use the search function to locate it. Click on your bank's name to proceed. You will now see a prompt to enter your banking credentials. This typically includes your username and password used for online banking. For added security, you may be prompted to complete a two-factor authentication process. Follow the on-screen instructions to receive and enter your verification code. Once your credentials are entered correctly, the app will begin to authenticate your account. This process may take a few moments, so please be patient. After successful authentication, you will receive a confirmation message. Your bank account should now be connected to Monarch Money. Review the account details to ensure everything is accurate. If needed, repeat the process to add more bank accounts. You are now ready to manage your finances within Monarch Money. Explore the features to track your spending, set budgets, and analyze your financial health. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.